Objects that disappeared and were never found. The Holy Grail. The Holy Grail is believed to be the cup used by Jesus before his crucifixion. But according to ancient legends, it is not just a religious object. Some say whoever finds the Grail could gain immortality and even cure any disease. For centuries, kings, explorers, and knights searched for it across different lands. Legend says King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table spent years trying to find it, but no one has ever proven that they truly did. Some stories claim something even stranger, that the Grail appeared before them for a brief moment and then mysteriously vanished. The Tower of Babel. According to the Bible, there was a time when all humanity spoke the same language. Humans began building a gigantic tower to reach the heavens. But the biblical story says God stopped it. He confused their languages so no one could understand each other. People spread across the world and the construction was abandoned forever. Even today, no confirmed remains of the Tower of Babel have ever been found.